Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing my Ipsy unboxing for October. Truth be told, I did get this bag a little bit late, but I was also a little bit late in getting it filmed. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first item here is this sleeping oil. I've never heard of this brand before and it just looks like a nice brand. I'll have to give a shot. I have no idea, since I have no other experience with them, what or how good the rest of the products in the line are. So I'll give it a shot and I'll report back. This is from Real Her, and this is the You Are Golden Bronzer. And what I thought was interesting about this one, as you can see me struggle to try and open it, and so I decided to give up and try and open the bottom. But this particular bronzer, I don't know how they determine all of the time the colors that you get, but it was quite shiny as well. So it had quite a bit of sparkle in it, so it's the color You Are Golden. And even though the color itself isn't a bad match for me, I do think it's just too shimmery for me to probably want to use this. I like a lot of my matte bronzers more so than shimmery, so we'll move on here. This is a product that I have wanted to try. This is the Staycation Hydrating Lotion from Wander Beauty. There are so many products in the Wander Beauty line that I really like, so I'm excited to get this product, and so this made the bag worth it for me this month. But it does get better. I don't even know why they include these cards anymore. They used to give you information about the products in the bag, no longer, so they're kind of worthless. This is where it gets really exciting. I got two eye products here. One is a mascara from Rowan, and they have also been in the bag previously where they gave us a lip product, and it was a lip gloss and it was nice. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. It is in the color black. I didn't want to open it to show the brush right now because I have several open mascaras, but I am excited to try that. And this was the winner. This is the piece de resistance. This is the Viseart palette. It's one of the petite palettes. And I just think this one is really stunning. I think the coloring of the package is really pretty. I think the colors inside are completely screaming fall to me. Very pumpkin spice latte, right? Is that just me? But I think it's beautiful with that pop of purple. I could not be more pleased with this. And this perfect traveling palette as well. So I'm super excited. I think the outside is actually really cute too, so I'm going to keep that. These two items plus the Wander Beauty make the whole bag for me. So this bag is $25. It's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you one more time all of the items that I got. So I kind of feel like I won't use the bronzer. I'll probably just give that away. And I will report back on the Wander Beauty and the other sleeping cream. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.